Hello, second grade. Today we're going to do our activity about Macadamisation. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a drawing and we're going to reproduce the drawing that I sent you in your email about Macadamisation. So let's begin. We're going to begin on our paper by taking a black marker. Any type of black marker will do. And we're going to begin by starting at the middle of the paper. You see where my hand is? It's in the middle of the paper. And we're going to go like this. Ready? Middle of the paper, we're going to go down. And then we're going to go back up. And then we're going to make a curve. And then we're going to go down. And we're going to go back up. So that's just like our drawing that we had in the email. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create some other things. Like, for example, we're going to create the levels of the road that we're going to make at school when we all get back to our wonderful school. So, ready? Now it's time to draw big rocks down here. Big rocks, okay? Are you ready? Let's go. Here we go. Big rocks. Big rock over here. I like the color gray. And now we're going to draw another big rock here, just like the picture. Try to do it just like the picture. Now remember this drawing, because we're going to have to do this at school when we all go back to school. We're going to finish building our wonderful road that we've been working so hard on. Here's another big rock. You fill that in. I fill it in with the color gray. I'm going to draw more big rocks. A big rock here on top. A big rock here. And we're going to fill in this bottom with a bunch of big rocks because this is the process of macadamization. So here we go. Here we have another big rock over here, just like the picture. Let's try to imitate the picture. Here we have another big rock over here. And we're going to draw a couple more big rocks, just like we see in the picture, like this. Big rock. Now, we have our big rocks. Now it's time to draw the outline of the big rocks with a black marker. So take your black marker, and we're going to do the outline of our big rocks. Oh, that looks so nice. You're doing a great job. I see you're doing a great job. Let's keep working hard on this beautiful drawing we're making. Keep going. Keep working hard. Good job, boys and girls. Good job. We're making the outline of our big rocks, which go on the bottom. Now, after the big rocks, what comes after the big rocks? That's right. We are going to draw now medium-sized rocks. Smaller stones. Smaller stones. So ready? We're going to go like this. Okay? And now we're going to go like this. Just make little circles like this. And these are smaller stones. On the bottom, we make big stones. And in the middle, we make smaller stones. Good job. You're doing great. This is fun. Making smaller stones up until the top. And now we stop making smaller stone. And now we're going to draw a thin line at the top here to establish where our gravel is. Very good. Like that. Good job. So now it's time to fill in with our gray marker. We're going to fill in our smaller stones with some gray. Good job. Gray. Very good. Gray. Good job. gray. Very well, boys and girls. You're doing wonderful. Gray, that's our smaller stones. And after we're done filling in our smaller stones with the color gray, we're going to fill in the soil around it, the dirt around the smaller stones, with the color brown, because that's what color the dirt is. Remember, we were shoveling, we were using our picks, and we were using the trays. Very good, boys and girls. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to do the outline so we don't have to waste too much of our marker. We're going to do the outline here with our brown. Very good, boys and girls. I do this with the brown. Very well. If you don't have brown at home, you can always use the color orange if you need to. Any color that's similar to brown. Yellow, if you need to, you can use that as well. And we're also going to do the outline here with our big stones, just to give some more color to our wonderful picture. You're doing wonderful. Good job, boys and girls. Very good. This is just to show that there is dirt or soil around all of this. And now what we're going to do here is we're just going to do some diagonal lines to show that this is all full of our soil or dirt. Just like this. We're not going to do it on top of our smaller stones because we don't want to cover those up. But you can see, just take your lines. Very good. Just like that. Good job. Very good. Very good. Good job, boys and girls. There we go. Very good. Very good. Wow, that looks wonderful. And now we're going to take some gray to attach to our gravel up top. So here we go, gravel. Here's our gravel. Gravel. Very well. So we're done with our picture, and what we have to do here is now we're going to add some colored blue, because here we want to show that this is where the water goes. This is where the water goes. So we're going to go here and we're going to add some water in the ditch. Imagine if it's raining. This is where all the water would go. So there's some water there, and there's another blue part here because that's where the water would go. This is our ditch. And is there any water here? No, because we have this wonderful macadamization of a road, and here we have the water in the ditch and the other water in this ditch, which means that our cars can drive very, very easily on the road. And what do you think about putting a little car here? I think it's a good idea. So what we're going to do this, we're going to go like that, and like this, and like this, and we're going to go like so, like this. It's like the back end of a car, and we're going to put some wheels there and put some wheels here. And that's just like an example of a car driving down a road. Now, my car isn't perfect, but you can tell it's a car. And that car would be going this way. And then another car would be coming this way. And we do the same thing. We draw a car more or less like this. Doesn't have to be perfect. Do it as best you can. We're going to go like this. And here's a wheel. Here's another wheel. We'll fill in those wheels black because the rubber is black. Very good. Here's my car. Very well. And this time, this car is coming towards us, so we're going to add some headlights. We'll put some headlights. And here we're going to put a person smiling in the car. So now you can see the example of macadamization, of how the roads are built under the highways we drive on. Now the last step is we're going to label. We're going to label. How are we going to label? Well, we're going to take our black marker and we're going to draw lines. Are you ready? Let's begin. So here, we're going to take a black marker. We're going to draw a circle here like this, a black circle, and we're going to draw a straight line up. And here we're going to write large stones. Large stones. There you go. There's one label. Here we're going to write our word with a circle here, and we're going to go up, and we're going to write the word gravel. Very good, boys and girls. And here we're going to write the word ditch. Very good. And now we're going to write the word here, smaller stones. Smaller stones. So there you have it, boys and girls. It doesn't need to be perfect, and you can add your own details. You can make it how you want. The important thing is to have fun and enjoy yourself. Here you have it. This is our drawing about Macadamisation. And for the final touch, I'm going to write the whole word in my big stones down here. Are you ready? M-A-C-A-D-A-M-I-S-A-T-I-O-N. And that gives a fun Macadamisation to my poster. So I'm looking forward to you. Good luck. Have fun. Bye-bye.